To the channel. It is Music City Trader, and I'm here live. I was just waiting to see what's going on. We're doing a little trading session, and I'm going to show you in this video how I set up my chart, what my goals are right now, and we're just going to do a little quick, just a basic, quick trading session. But before we get started, let's roll the song. All right. Well, yeah, we're right here. It's funny because it's I had a lot of turkey and just um, coming back off of Thanksgiving, and I started tonight with 25.96. That's what we're going to put in here in the chart, and 25.96 in the chart here. But I'm really actually trading off of a $2,000 level, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just actually, you know what? Yeah, that's right. I am trading off $2,000 level. So my goal would be to make 2% would be up 40. So here's what it is. My stop loss up 2% would be 25.26 or 25.26. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah. I really don't know. I think I'm just going to add 40 to this. I'm having a hard time thinking, but I did win already a little bit here. So I'm starting with $5 trades, and I'm not even at this point. I wasn't even compounding. All I was doing is just trading. I was doing a little bit different trading method, and so it might be slightly more boring for the live stream. So it's not as crazy. I'm looking at 1 minute candles. I'm taking 5-minute trades. This might be an actual interesting one right here. I'm just looking for trades that hit the yeah, that would have been a good one up there. Let's see. CAD JPY. I can't explain exactly what that does. I'm going to try to figure out where this is here. So open recent. Yeah. I can't access my spreadsheet tonight, so I'm not going to worry about it. But I'm basically trying to go up $40. I started it. So I want to go up from $25.96. I want to go up about $40. $25.96 plus 40. It's important that you write this down. 26.36. So 26.36 would be my upstop. My stop loss would be 25.96. Let's see. I'm not even going to let myself go down that much. 25.96 minus 50. So 25. We'll say that. So about $50. 25.90, about 25.96 minus 25.25, about $70. So we'll give ourselves the full stop loss. That's fine. I give myself a full stop loss, so about 3.5%, and I'm going to try to go up 2%. That's all I'm doing. And I texted Todd to tell him he can go live with us, but I haven't heard from him. Oh, yeah, I am. Okay. Yeah, I am. I'm on. So if he comes in, then it's going to be great. We'll talk about the plan, talk about my plan. Let's see, CAD JPY looks like could turn around. I kind of missed my opportunity on that one. I really should have put it when it got up there. So I'm gonna look around a little bit here. I'm gonna go and put it here. Based on the basically the long moving average, basically based on the white line. So I'm not really sure about that one, but if it follows the same pattern, then it's due to go back down from here. Either way, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing long patterns. I'm not going to take it too seriously. Not going to take it too seriously. I'm just going to take it slow, and I'm just going to try to get some of those long patterns to go in my favor. I'm not going to compound much. I'm just going to sort of make up if I get down. So I'm really not sure. These indicators don't look great, but the trend looks good. It's a good downtrend. It's a really good downtrend. I haven't been switching time frames either, but I'll switch now to see. Yeah, this could be either way. Yes. I'm not going to over analyze it either. I'm just going to look for good. See, I'm not really sure. I think the charts are in trend tonight. I feel like they're kind of trending. Like this just looks like a big trend. I hate to sort of switch over because I want to just kind of look at the pattern where it's sort of been in the last minute, in the minute pattern. Set up my lines on some of these and just kind of get a feel for what it's doing, where I think it's going. Oh, that looks like a line here. Looks like a line up there. That's a zone. If I think it is going up, it's going up, then I think it is. All right, well, let's see if Todd's here. Hey, let's see if I can get him in the stream. What's up? Are you in?
I'm here.
Are you there?
Yeah, yeah. What you got? You're in a put for $5.
What? Put for five? No, I'm gonna put for $5. Yeah,
CAD CHF. Yeah, so
2.5 minutes left.
already traded, so I kind of.
Yeah, don't do anything stupid.
I'm not. No, I'm not doing any more trading myself. I'm gonna pull up my chart just so I can look at you
Okay.
and make fun of you.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Make fun of me. That's a good idea. Totally make fun of me. Check 1, 2. I'm just checking the mic. I got a new mic, dude. It's pretty nice, I think. Got a new Audio Technica AT. What is this? I think it's called a 1020. It's a podcasty type micy thing. I don't know what I was thinking about there. I'm not sure.
CAD CHF. It looks like that ain't going up.
Well,
What second
cats.
candles are you on, just so I can watch what you're doing?
I'm on 1 minute candles,
Okay.
and on CAD CHF, I think it's going down actually.
Mm, no, yeah, actually, it's following a very clear channel. Wait a minute, hold on. Wait,
Oh, wait, I'm on. Wait, hold on.
I
Where
was
am
gonna
I?
say you're not looking at what I'm looking at.
CAD CHF. Sorry.
But how
Yeah,
many
I
different?
mean,
Okay, you're in two different trades. That's what's going on.
yeah, it looks like I was in and out of the money. I've been in and out of the money, but yeah, it might be going up here. But I mean, I got what, a minute left? Yeah, I don't know, man. This one's interesting. I'm not sure if it's gonna actually turn around here and go up, or if it's gonna. Yeah, it could consolidate. I only have a minute left on this one.
That's gonna be a loss.
Let's see here. What's it look like in 30? Um, I don't know. It does look like it
Yeah,
could be
it broke that right there. It's gonna be a loss. That you might as well just kind of forget about. But go back to the 10 seconds
10 seconds.
or 30,
Yeah.
whatever you were just in. Yeah, because now it could start going back down from up here. So I think that it's possible that
Mhm.
I think you could get a put from when it hits that level right there. I think you could take a put there.
Okay. Yeah, so I lost that first one.
Sad. I think it's
I
rigged.
think 2 seconds. Yeah, it's gonna be gone.
Yeah, you feel like it's rigged, but it's not rigged.
It's rigged. It's totally rigged.
There are days though I feel like it is, but it's not. But I get it. There are times when, because okay, he's saying that when he goes above $10, I can tell you, Eric and I have both won, $500 trades. I mean, it's so I can assure you they're not after your $10 or your $20 or even $100.
Yeah, it doesn't. I've won huge trades that
Yeah,
you know.
yeah, we've each won trades. You know, sure they locked in to my account. Sure they don't care about you. I mean, I hate to hand it to you like that, but I don't think they care about you enough. I mean,
Locked into your account. What is it? What are you talking about? What are you reading? I'm sure they locked to my account at PO. I sent them a nasty email. I don't know what that means. They locked into my account.
did they like have you lost 6,000? Yes, we have. Uh,
Dark Vader.
yes, we have lost more than that probably over time. Not all in
Yeah.
one session.
Heck no.
Eric has lost $2,000 in a single session.
Oh, that's true.
But yeah, so yes, we're right there with you. We have experienced all that too. There are times that I walk away from this and think, yeah, I mean, and I see why you think that. I really do see why you think they're rigged.
It could be rigged, I guess. You never know.
Um, you know, I think that I think there are times that it's hard to win. I mean, it's just hard to get the feel of the market. That's why this isn't for everybody. If it was that easy, everyone would do it, and everyone would be making millions of dollars a year doing it. Uh, because the odds are that most people are just going to lose. It's not. I mean, I know when you look at something, you think, "Man, I have every reason in the world to believe this is about to do this, so I'm going to put this much money. I'm going to wager this much on this because I'm sure it's going to go this way." And then it doesn't go that way, and so you feel like, "Well, it should have gone that way, so pocket option rigged it." But um,
I'd like to know how they rigged it. I mean, we talked about this for hours, dude.
we've talked about this before. There isn't a way to rig it, and that's what Eric and I have established. Um,
I mean, what do you? I mean, rig it. How do they
because
rig it?
because here's the thing. Eric and I are looking at the exact same things right now. He's in Tennessee, I'm in Ohio, and we're both looking at the same charts. You're not playing a computer game that is personalized for you. This chart is that way for everybody. So I lose on a daily basis. Yeah, I feel you. And you, I don't know how long you've been at this. I can't say what your skill level is. It could be there could be a lot of reasons for that. I mean, this is man. I wish we had 3 hours because I get why you feel like giving up. Uh, I've been there. I get there sometimes anyway, but it's not pocket option. And as much as I'd love to blame them, I'll tell you who it really is. It's me for not stopping when I know that I'm losing. There are going to be days where it's just kicking your butt, and on those days you need to walk away before you blow your account. Um, that's hard to do. That is much easier said than done. So, um, and there are times that I don't take my own advice. So, yeah, I totally get that. But if you think about it, if you could see this any given chart at any given moment and how many calls and puts there are in the exact same position on pocket options end, I mean, how many people are trading on the same chart? Um, then you kind of know that. What does it say? I have another broker, Trusted Options. They told me that PO has rigged charts and well, of course they told you that. They're a competitor.
Are they an
Uh,
FX trader? Let's see. Might have been check quick draws regulated. Is it a binary options? It's
have no idea.
English. Okay. Is it binary options?
Is it available in the U.S.?
That's what I want to know.
Hey, where are you at? Dark Vader 001. Where are you at in the world? Are you in the U.S.?
Same as pocket option. I mean, I would try it. I guess. I mean, it wouldn't hurt.
Okay, so they are available in the U.S. and I've not heard of them. Uh, oh, you're in
Madera,
California. Okay,
Madera, California.
all right. Um,
That's cool. We've never heard of them. I'll check them
it's
out.
first I've heard of it.
I didn't
Um,
know. I didn't know how many U.S. brokers there were for binary options.
Pocket Option is the only one I know of, and I mean, they're the only one I ever hear anybody talk about. Not to say that others aren't just as trustworthy or just as reputable. I don't know. I haven't heard good things about any others, but okay, I'll check those out. I hadn't heard. I've seen some others that seem to not be available. I have heard horror stories from some brokers besides Pocket Option that don't want to pay out. Have you tried them? Um, it's where I went after getting whooped every day. And was it any easier? Did you feel like it was? Did you feel like you did better there?
Mm.
Or do you think it was kind of like about the same, or have you not been there very long, or it feels safer? Okay. Because I will tell you that these charts, they have movements that it's not rigged, but man, the markets move different on different days. There was like a couple of weeks straight where I was just cleaning house. I mean, I was just making money hand over fist, mostly in demo until because I had pretty much given up on trading and I was just killing it in demo. So I loaded some money in there and then I killed it in live. I mean, like just for several days straight, and then oh, you're fine. Take your time on your phone. Uh, and then the markets changed, and I was like, well, dang it, I can't get a win now. I mean, so they change, you know. Um,
Yeah.
the markets just, I mean,
I
there
don't
are
know if they
days
can really rig it. I mean, I
there's
think.
there's no way to. I mean, there are days where I feel like it is because I can't get a win, but you can't really.
Does that mean Christian at BLW is rigged? Because he's trading on pocket option
He,
all the time and he's winning
he's making $3,000 trades at a time, and
and
he's
winning.
still winning.
Yeah. Unless he's
Let's
totally
say
rigged too.
minus $300. We've been down far more than that. They only have regular pairs, no OTC. Okay, there is. I only trade on OTC. Um, Now I'm not saying that. The reason for that is nothing against regular open markets. I'm not used to it. It's just me. I'm more comfortable in OTC because it's what I'm used to. I know that OTC has a bad like stigma with some people, and people think that it's
I don't know
easily
why people are so
manipulated.
upset about it.
Yeah, but I have days where I absolutely crush it in OTC. So I mean, it's kind of six one way, half a dozen the other. I don't think it really matters. I know the OTC should try that other burger. Maybe we will. Maybe we'll give that a try some night and see if
Well, let me ask you, Dark Vader. Are you now winning a whole bunch? And like, is trusted options like causing you to win a whole bunch? Like, are you just?
well, that's what he said. It feels safer. But does
But
it? But do you feel like you're winning more, or does it still feel rigged? That's my question. How come every time? Well, it doesn't always. But
yeah, I mean, I win, dude. I win a ton of trades. So I mean, I don't.
most days I make profit. There's fewer days that I don't profit than there are that I do. That just comes from learning how the market moves, and it's a probability game. I mean, it's
It's
honestly
all just guessing and probability, basically.
it's just guessing and probability. I mean, I want to say that there's a magic bullet strategy, but there isn't. So all these strategies um, that you hear on YouTube and whatnot, that I mean, these are crapshoots. none of those really work. I mean, they might work sometimes, but they don't always work. I used to trade on Market
Well,
World. I made 12,000. Nice. What is Market World? I'm not familiar with it. Is it?
it's
it
Darth Vader, man. He's got all kinds of ideas.
it's probably not binary options, though, is it?
I don't want to trade forex yet on anything really.
Yeah,
Like,
forex seems hard to me. I don't know. To me, this seems. I mean, I did. Um, I did pretty good tonight in. Um,
did it? Yeah, you did. You actually won tonight, didn't you?
yeah, I made the profit that I needed to make. So, well, if you go all in, that's why you're losing. You should never wager your whole account. You will lose doing that. I promise you, you will lose. If you, Eric and I don't trade our whole account.
Heck no. We don't trade like those other YouTubers. We trade like totally
That
different.
compound every single trade. You're going to lose doing that. There is no way to win. I don't care. Their videos. I will say that their videos are probably rigged.
Yeah, if anything's rigged, it's those people that go and they win 12 in a row on binary options and they say, "Oh, I won. I took $100 to 11,000," and they make it look like it's a walk in the park. That's totally rigged.
Yeah,
I've been
every
trying to do
deposit
that for
I
years.
work it up to the 100, then I lose it all. Yep, that'll do it. Because you're going to lose. I mean, losing is part of winning.
See, look at that. I just won that one. That was fine. That was a win right there. This
How
one is a
much?
loss. The charts are kind of trending tonight.
Yeah.
I don't
Okay,
know.
so Market World has closed down since then. Okay,
What?
I gotcha.
Oh,
So
never mind.
it's closed down now.
Is Market World like a options trading thing?
It seems. I mean, apparently it used to be something like that.
Well, maybe. Mm, see this
What
one.
kind of a trade? What kind of a put was that? What candles are you on?
I'm still on 1 minute.
How long of a put was that?
That was a 5 minute. That's just not
It's
working.
just way up there.
Yeah, it's not. It's only got 17 seconds left. It's kind of like I said, trending up. Let's
Yeah,
hit another.
that's the key. Dark Vader.
Don't go all in, man. You got to get a mathematical plan that works.
Yeah, don't go all in.
I mean,
I guarantee if you stop doing that, you will
stop
find that you
losing.
have a lot of winning days. Yeah, it's because you're going all in. That's gonna end up feeling like rigged. Yeah, I see where you're coming from now. Um, if you go all in, yeah, that doesn't end well. I've done that, and I mean, you're just playing Russian roulette with your account. My daughter wants to know if it's morbid to stick the elf on a shelf in the toaster oven.
Yeah.
Yeah, my little kids are gonna find that when they come down. I mean, I guess it's okay. Just
Are
don't
they gonna
turn it
get?
on.
Yeah, they're gonna get like
Don't make a
scared.
pop tart while they're in there. I mean, the little kids might want to know why the elf on a shelf are playing in the toaster.
$1,000 in a minute. That's a good. Yeah. If you're trading like that, it's very easy to lose all your money.
I mean, yeah, you can have winning trades and you can have losing trades. I mean,
You're
it's
gonna have
gonna
winning trades. You're gonna have
it's
losing
gonna
trades.
go both ways, but you will lose your account entirely when you have that losing trade.
Yeah. I don't think pocket options is necessarily rigged. I think
Could you
psychologically
bring me a
we
bottle of water over there?
we kind of rig it ourselves. I think we kind of rig our own lives by making a bunch of stupid trades.
Your mom's rigged.
Your mom's rigged. What?
Could you bring me a vanilla pudding? Because, I think I'm the only person in the whole dang house that likes vanilla pudding. Everybody else eats all the chocolate. I'm the only one that eats friggin' vanilla. Yeah.
What was that?
Hmm?
What was that noise?
I took a drink of water.
Really?
I've listened to all your. Well, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, dude, Dark Vader, listen to the podcast. So we just goof around most of the time, trying to.
Thank you. Can I have a spoon? I've only cashed out $400 for PO. Well, you're doing good then, bro.
I cashed out some money the other day. You know.
I've never cashed out anything because here's the deal. I just like keep putting money in until I can cash out like a lot. It's just kind of play money.
Yeah.
Do you like pudding? Do you like pudding?
Who, me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, pudding.
I don't
Putting
know.
things,
Is that what you're eating?
putting things where they don't belong.
Yeah.
If you're trading all day, then you're only going to blow accounts. Well, if you trade all day, you will blow your account. That's
That's
something
funny.
we've learned that the hard way. The longer you stay in there, I mean, and I say that, I'm preaching to myself here because I know that when I stay in there all day trading, the longer I'm in there, the more likely I am to walk away with absolutely nothing left. Because there comes a point where it becomes emotional. So what? So what do you do for a living, Dark Vader, or for fun or whatever? Do you have something you do like a job or hobby you have or what? Oh, you custom out. Well, that's one way to do it.
Boom me out. Pocket it.
Does that work? Do they
That's
do they
funny.
offer
What? Yeah. What?
they
What
offer
do
you
you
any money back? Like here's $10.
do? You just call them up and start screaming at them and say like, "I hate you."
Go all Samuel L. Jackson on them, and I'm
Oh
blocked
yeah.
on chat for life. Huh.
That's funny.
Wow. Come here, buddy. Hey, Lilo. Come here. Come here. Come here, Lilo. Come on. What? Let go of the cord. There you go.
Cannabis industry. Oh yeah. Tell us more about that, dude. That's awesome. A
Okay.
can. Hey, look. You got a dog.
I got my dog. Yes, my girl. One of my girls.
GDP, JPY.
Oh, they gave you $5. Oh, that was nice. I'd have that blown in about
That that
one
would be
trade.
nice if you yelled at them and then they gave you $5. That would be super nice. Yeah.
Now Eric has turned $5 into $50. I've turned it into like 25.
I've turned $5 into like 100. I've turned $10 into 100. I've turned 5 into 50. I mean, we played that game. That was kind of
Yeah,
fun.
I've done
But
that.
that's not really like sustainable. A sustainable game. I mean, it's not.
Buddy,
Yeah.
Lilo's my girl. Okay, hop down.
You're addicted to pocket options. Well, so are we. Join the club, man. We should have a.
Did
We
I
should call our.
did I just fart on live?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, dude.
We should call our channel Pocket Option Addicts. That's what we should
At
call our
least the
channel.
mic is up here and not back there because I don't think they heard it.
No, we didn't. I didn't hear anything.
Okay, good. You didn't hear it?
No. Uh-uh.
Okay, good. But I used to like when I have out in my studio, I'd take the mic off and I'd hold it up to my butt and just let it rip.
When?
Remember, I used to do that. Not when we were live, but like when it was just me and you on Restream.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Huh?
I remember that.
You want to be asleep by 1? We'll go to bed then. Okay. You want to say hi to everybody on Restream?
Let's see here. What's this? 30. And then
Here, say hi to everybody.
who's gonna crawl in a hole and die?
Whoa, wait, you're down some money, my brother. How much
Oh
are
yeah,
you down?
I'm not down too much. Well, I'm in some winning trades, so I mean, like, look at this trade right here, dude. That's gonna win. That was a great trade
Oh,
too.
now hold on. Right there's a good place for a put. Let that go up.
I don't know if I should do that or not. You think I should hit that put up there?
Yeah, I would. Yeah, when that. Yeah. It's about there. I just take a good old put
5
for
minute here.
yeah for a couple of minutes or however long. You know,
Think I should let it go
they don't
up, like right
they
now.
don't like me calling them Russians on my emails. So probably not.
All right.
But all the girls that promote it are like Russian, like Lady Trader and all them.
And then this one right here, I'm not sure. This one's, the strategy on this one. Okay, so this one's winning. Oh
That's
man,
a.
I'm gonna win both of these. Look at that. That's massive.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna win that one and that one. But then, okay, let's go. Let's go. This one's gonna win down here, and then probably this one's gonna win up here too.
Yeah.
I might should have taken a bigger trade. Um, so that one won, and then this one could win too. But like, look at this one, dude. This one, I took a 10-minute trade at the bottom of this, and I know I took a 10-minute trade down here
Okay,
because
so what did you do? Just take another 30?
yeah, but this is a 5 minute, and then I took a 10-minute here. But look at this in the 10-minute chart. Look what happened. Look where I'm at. I mean,
Oh, yeah,
look at this. I mean, if you look at this in the 10-minute chart, it's sitting right at this thing.
At that line.
So
It's either going to break it or it's going to pull back.
yeah, and I thought it was gonna jump back up. So this is kind of risky. I'm kind of putting two trades on one trade, but that's a 10-minute trade. So if you go back to the 1 minute, so you know where my line is now.
Hmm.
It kind of looks like it's tanking, but it's hit some pretty hard resistance. So I'm not sure.
Well,
It's
the
got it's
MACD
got
that you got on is about useless.
huh
But the MACD is about useless. But that
seven.
RSI,
It's got 7 minutes, and the RSI has been blown so long that
right. But
just
what I follow in the RSI, you see how it went back up to the midline
yeah.
and then went back down? I would have gone in with 2,400, 1 minute lost, of course. Well,
Yeah.
yeah, that's the thing. I mean, winning this game is losing is part of winning. I mean, you're gonna lose, and you have to account for that. So these people that go all in
Look at that
every
win. Look at
trade,
that win. I won at the bottom. I'm going to win at the top. I should have taken a bigger trade up there, but I'm trying to be conservative on my first trades.
well, you didn't know for sure that it was gonna. I mean,
Yeah.
you never
So
know.
I mean, I'm kind of getting. I'm actually the only reason I'm
Oh
on
yeah.
the only reason I'm on a $30 trade over here is I'm trying to make back what I lost over here. So I'm still not doing great in this session, but if this can pop up and win, which it might,
Okay,
because it's got
what is
6 minutes.
that? GBP JPY.
Yeah, GBP JPY. It's in a kind of a big ginormous down push. This chart right here actually might be my next trade. I might wait till it gets back down to this
Okay,
bottom
GBP
and take it out.
JPY is friggin' turning now. You should be in the money by now, are you?
GBP JPY. Yeah, I think I've got 7 minutes, and if it turns around, then Because if you look at the 10-minute on this, dude, it's hit a big line. I'm like right on it. So I mean, if it turns around and goes back up or even consolidates on the line, I'm good here. I could win that one. Actually, I'm in the money on both of them. So I'm in the money on $90. So 25.19.
I mean
Let's see,
that's one that
25.19
I
plus
mean that's
90.
one I would have considered getting in on myself.
I'll be in the money on both of these. If I get in the money on both of these, I'll be up for the night by like $12 or something.
That,
Or
are you
sorry,
looking
I'll be
at
up.
10-minute candles?
I was. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I was looking at 10-minute candles.
Or
Yeah,
is it okay? 10-minute. Holy crap! Yeah, 10-minute is still right on
right
the
on the
line.
line.
But
I know.
you know what though? The RSI in the 10-minute has not touched yet.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it's kind of
So
like it could.
I mean, I feel like like honestly, there is still good room here to take a nice size call.
You don't take anything because you've already won today, so you
I've
need to
already
just
won
chill.
today. I'm not doing anything, but but right here, I don't know. But but then again, this is a good.
This could flip. I mean, this could go down. This could keep trending down. It could break this line and
It
finally
could.
trend down.
It's gone down really hard here.
It's gone down like 15 1-minute candles. So, I mean, I think it's time to turn around. And the 10-minute candle
Well, you
shows
think
me.
about this: 10-minute candles has had one, two, three, four, five of them. That's 50 minutes.
Yeah,
Um, and now,
it's probably bad because it is really got a lot of down pressure. So, but let's look over at this one. I am going to win this trade. It looks like in the 1-minute candle, the one
I
that you
don't
told
know.
me to take. I've got
What do
16
you think?
seconds left.
Think I should take a 10-minute call here?
I mean, if it's a small amount of money, then yeah, I don't think it's a bad idea. I'm gonna win this trade here. That was a good trade, but that was a good. See, that was good. So that one won. So I won that one. I'm just kind of I don't know, man. This one is just it's consolidating. I have 4 minutes left. My line is kind of just above where the bottom line is. You know, it's consolidating off that bottom line. It to me, I think it petered out. It went down so far. I do think I might win this trade. I've still got 3 minutes, and now look, the MACD is getting ready to cross.
You think it's
And
going back up? Yes or
I
no?
do think from here, if you took it right now, like while it's down here,
Boom.
it's
I mean,
then
five
I think
dollars
if
and
you.
50 cents. It's not much, but I didn't. But that's pretty much the excess that I wanted.
Oh, okay, got it.
I risked what I my overage. So even if I lose this, I will still be in the
Yeah,
win.
it. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna look at this in 10 seconds and see. It's it's kind of at the bottom again. I might should double up down here. I'm almost tempted. Well, not now, but I'm almost tempted to double it up when it gets back down to there. I'm in the money. It's starting to shoot up in the 10 second. I
Well, I'm
should have
like,
doubled it up.
do you see it in the 10-minute? Let me. Can I?
Let me see. 10 minutes. Yeah, I mean it's wanting to go back up. You know, I almost called it when I almost doubled it up when you took your trade down there when it was down at the bottom of that candle, because all this has to do is end green. If this candle kind of yeah, look, it's going way in the money now.
Okay, I just shared my screen with you. Take a look.
Okay, what do you got? Oh yeah, I mean I'm
That's
looking
where
at it.
I'm at.
Yeah, it's looking pretty dang good, dude. So Darth Vader, man, quit going all in, dude. If you want
Yeah,
to look at
don't
my,
risk everything, bro. I mean,
I
like
mean, you
I.
gotta have a
The
Darth
thing
Vader,
is,
man.
if
You
you're
got to go
watching a
back
lot of
and
if you're watching a lot of guys on YouTube or a lot of the hacks on YouTube, that's what you're gonna see. But real trading, you're not gonna win like that.
oh look at that, dude. Look at my in the money trade. I'm so happy I did this. I'm so glad I did this. I'm
Hmm.
still not doing great tonight. I mean, I'm still only going to be $9 in the profit, but I mean, it's $9 in the profit. If this wins, I get a minute and a half. But that
Holy
was a
crap, dude!
great position. Your position is going to win big time, dude. How did you take a 5 minute trade?
No, I took a 10-minute trade.
Oh, okay. That's okay. It's a little bit long,
Well,
but
the thing is that these are 10-minute candles, and they've been
yeah,
red for 50 minutes. I mean, 50 minutes worth of red
yeah, and
candles.
it hit a massive line of support and resistance. Dark Vader, listen, man, I really want you to think about going to um, get
Here it
my
comes. Here it comes. Get my new book.
Get my new, not my new book. No, I wasn't going to say that. Is I hack the math trading sheet and try to win like 2% a day. If you've been listening to our podcast, what we've been shifting to lately is like, can I win 2% a day or 5% a day, and that's
Yeah,
it, and then
take it
stop.
slow. Yeah,
Take it
don't try
slow,
to get
man.
rich in a night, dude. Don't.
If you're, that's why whenever, dude, I had $2,000 a couple months ago, and I blew it all in one session. And it had taken me like 3 months to get there, and I was winning. Look at this, I'm going to win this trade again. I was winning over and over and over again, and then one day I got like emotional, and a couple days I got like, I'm so good at this, I'm just going to kill it, and then I just lost it all. So it's a slow grow. I don't think it's rigged, but I think that our emotions rig it for us, and we
Right.
lose all of our. You can get all that profit, and then lose. Every time I've traded all day, I usually lose my money. Every time I go all in, I lose my money. But when I go
Well,
like
that's the
slow,
thing. They don't have to rig it. Okay, they do not have to rig this
26.5. Well,
because
that was a good win right there, dude. Hold on a minute. I
because
gotta do something. You come right back to that. I gotta do something. That was a huge win. All right, sorry, I had to do that.
I'm on live, buddy. Don't step on that. Don't step on that. Because we need it for that goes to the dog. We need that. Don't step on that. Okay, so I got 6 minutes left, and look at this. Okay, show my screen again, and look at it in the yeah. So there I got it in 1 minute.
I
That's
just
it in
took a
1 minute.
put. I just took a 5 minute put right there because that's hit the white line. I'm just gonna. I'm back in the money, so I'm in the money, so I can go back to my $5 trades and see, just slowly see if I can win, and if I don't, I just martingale. But yeah, this might be going way back up, dude. Dang it, I don't. I haven't really been doing that great tonight, to be honest. I've been kind of. I don't know if it's because the charts are just trending or.
What he just said is exactly what everyone does, us included. We're not immune to that. Just so you know, we say we're not going to go all in. Well, for us, it's blowing past our stop loss. You know, it's like
We pick a number like, hey, I'm going to do only this much tonight, and then we end up just trading past it and blowing past it and losing it, and then we get mad, so we start trading all of our money, and then we, you know, and then we lose a bunch of money, and then we can't recover because you can't. This game is too emotional. You can't do that.
what, dude? I'm live with Eric.
What was she saying?
Uh, my son just came down. He's like, "Can you change my poopy?"
Yeah. A couple of these charts are kind of in the middle, and a couple of these charts are trending bad. Oh, he says, "Bro, I get sick. I go all in. I say to myself, I'm
That's what I
not going to go
literally
all
just
in."
I literally just talked about this. And I said for
Well,
us,
yeah,
it's blowing past our stop loss. I said we're not immune to that either.
you can't. You have to. So right now, I am trading, and I'm writing a book. It's called Hack the Math. But right now, I'm trading with 0.25% of my account. 0.25%. So if I have $2,000 is what I'm trading with, I have a $5 starting trade, and that's it. I mean, I can lose a lot of trades and never lose my account, and so I can slowly grow over 3 months or 4 months or so. I'll be making like $500 a day, and that's all I can hope for. But you can see tonight I've had like tonight. Look, I've had from here. I've had two losses, and I had four losses in a row. But then I had a win, a couple more losses, a couple wins. I martingaled here, and I'm back where I started. I'm not losing my account. I'm back exactly where I started tonight. And if I win these two trades, I'll be up by $20. And then, but $20 doesn't sound like a lot, but $20 is 1%. So if you do a 1% growth plan and you grow 1% a day, within a year, you can make like $100,000, or you can make like 50,000 a month off of 1%.
Dude, careful. What?
Yeah, down 6K. That's because that's fine. That's not a big deal. I'm down
Do you have a
a lot like
digest?
that too, from mostly myself blowing my own account. Dude. So, dude, I'm being honest. Like, I blow my account a lot, and right now, what I'm trying to do is just not blow my account and just sort of just try to.
How am I doing up here? Am I gonna win this?
Let me see. Let me put you up there. Is that you?
That's me.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
way up there, dude. Yeah, you're way up there. Yeah, you that was a great position. That was a 10-minute.
I honestly wish I'd. I mean, in hindsight, yes, but I wish I'd have went all in. Uh, I should have wagered a bit more because that was a good. I really
Well,
felt
yeah, that was a good position, dude. I think it's going to go back down, but how many minutes do you have left? Like
two,
4? 2,
two,
you're fine.
and
It's
those
not
are
going to
one
go.
minute candles. They ain't
I
gonna go
think
that
it is
fast.
going to go back down, but I don't think it's. I might win both of these trades. If I do, then I might just call it a night because I've been kind of winning, losing, winning, losing. I mean, I'm going to win probably at least one of these. So I've got these.
Yeah, I've got
I've
a
got.
minute and 47, so we're
You're
gonna.
good. Here's my puts. I'm show you my puts right here. I've got 2 puts on the screen, and I've got 34 seconds. So, oh, if this just but this is really hitting a doji line here, so I don't know if it's going to go past that. We'll look at this in 10 seconds and see. It's got 24 seconds. It's really hard to see that it would break past my line. It's probably going to be a wash. I'm probably going to win one and lose one, unless I get real lucky and it just shoots down there. But no, I'm not going to get lucky. I want to win one, lose one, and that's okay. Well, hopefully it stays down. Let's do that. All right. So I'm still up. I'm going to go back for a $5 trade. I don't know. I'm not
1 minute.
doing.
1 minute left.
Okay, let's look at yours. Your trade was good. It was at a 10-minute. That was the bottom of a 10-minute like massive line of support.
Yeah.
You know
I
what?
don't know, dude. I'm kind of thinking there's something to this whole 10-minute thing. I've never
It says
really.
go all in 906 in 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Is that what you do? Is that why you're losing all your money? Because dude, that's what pocket option would feel rigged if I was doing that. Because some days you would be winning all this money, and the next day you just lose it all.
Yeah.
So it would feel so rigged, dude, if I was doing that.
Yeah, I can see that. But dude, I don't know, man. I might start taking 10-minute trades. I don't know. Maybe waiting for these big massive drops.
Well,
But
you can
then
see, dude. You can see. You and I both could see. You called that other
three,
trade that I took.
2, 1, boom.
There you
There we
go.
go.
Well, you saw that other trade that you told me to take, and it was a no-brainer, and I took it and I won. That was a no-brainer. You took it, you won. If you look at the big picture and just guess where it's going in 5 or 10 minutes, I've been
Yeah.
doing 5-minute trades. If
I
you
could
look
have
at the
won that
big
in
picture,
5. I could have won
yeah,
that twice in 5 minutes.
yeah, you could have. That was a good trade, but it was a very obvious, you know, position. It was very obvious.
Yeah, it kind of was. I mean, strong support and resistance lines.
There's my support and resistance line. Look, I just took that off that. So it's a little just a little iffy, but look, that strong support. It came across. You hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. I took a 5-minute trade here. You know, it's it's possible I win this. Possible I lose it. I'm not.
All in 906 in 5 seconds. Yeah, that's weird
He's
because
cracking me up, dude.
that's funny because I do a lot of 5 second trades and sometimes, man, sometimes I kill it in 5 seconds. But I think that's part of it. You got to be able to know which trades are working and which ones aren't because some nights 5 seconds is not. It just doesn't seem to work, and then others. Um, but that's why it's so rigged. Yeah, I mean, it
Well,
feels
if
rigged
you
on
go,
some nights, but it's. But like I say,
here's
if
my. Let me explain this. If you went into a forex trading account that wasn't rigged, we know forex isn't rigged, but if you go into forex and you started trading your entire account on one position, you would lose all the time. You'd win some, then you would lose everything. No professional trader, no forex trader goes all in. Everybody has to have a risk management. So if you don't have risk management, like a real serious risk management,
and those
it's
YouTubers
gonna
don't.
feel
Just so you know.
they don't have any risk management. They're doing 100, then 200, then 500, and then I think those people are basically just faking it.
They're
And
not.
here's how.
Those are not professional traders. I don't care what they
No,
say.
no professional
That's
trader does that. He's
What do you
cracking me
say?
up, man. He's cracking. He's just read his thing. He's cracking me up, dude.
I'm updating my chart here. 1693. Okay, so I made $10.57 over what I needed. So I'm just updating my chart here.
Well, hey, at least you know. At least you know what you're doing wrong, bro.
Who? Me?
Darth Vader. At least you know. Darth Vader. At least you know. At least you know what you're doing wrong. If you're just goofing around and you don't care how much money you lose, then it doesn't matter. I've done that. I've goofed around for about, and just lost money over a week or two, and just. Are you trying to win though? Or are you just trying to like? Are you gambling? If you're just throwing all your money in on trades and you're just gambling, and it could be rigged. Maybe it is rigged against you. I don't know. Maybe you're rigging it against yourself.
He's rigging it against
I think that
himself. They don't have
yeah,
to rig it.
you
That's
need.
what I'm saying. The odds are already
I'm
stacked
throwing
against
you
you. So
out. You sound like a. I'm throwing you. I throw Todd out. You sound like a. His computer starts sounding like a robot to me. It drives me insane. That was a good trade. I hope I win this one. This is really nice. This one could be the one that puts me over the top tonight. Let's see if I can bring him back in. All right, you back?
Okay, did it sound better this time? I think.
Yeah. You started sounding like a robot again,
Yeah,
dude.
sometimes my internet craps out.
Dude, I think Dark Vader is just screwing around. I think he's. I don't know. I think he needs help, man. Because now look what he's writing.
He doesn't know what risk management. Well, if you're just watching,
He says he trades in his sleep, but he usually loses. He's just saying a bunch of weird stuff. Like
Justin Orion, is that you?
I bet it is, dude. I bet it's Dark Vader, Dark V8 Der. Oh, I bet it's Justin Orion.
Yeah, it sounds
I just
like
want to
something he
pile it
would
up.
say. Like I trade in my sleep.
Justin O'Brien.
That's somebody
Justin,
we went to school with, and.
dude, I'm about to win this trade. I think. I hope, and I think I might just quit for tonight. Well, I don't know. See, I haven't been winning by very much, and I haven't been winning very much. But I'm going to be up by I think 10. I'm going to be up by $15 if I win this one. So I could just quit because that's not bad. It's not 40, but see, I don't know if I'm going to win this one. It's jumping up there like it wants to. Let's go to 10 seconds. Watch it. It's just like it's farting along with that line. Like it's really teasing that line like it wants to see. Just make, and I'm starting to feel like if I can get my. Yeah, you're right. 5 seconds. Come on, baby. Come on. I need to win this, and I'm going to probably quit because I feel like tonight it's. Oh, yeah. Okay. I barely won that one. Do you see that?
No.
I barely won it. I think I'm going to be done. I got 26.10, dude. I'm up $15. I feel like that's, pretty good for tonight. It's not what I wanted to be, but for some reason, I just don't. I'm going to share your screen, Todd, so I can do some work on mine.
Okay.
I
There's
need to log
not
back.
much going on my screen.
I need to sign back into my Microsoft account, and I don't want to. I'm glad we got back on. It's been like, dude, yeah, okay. I'm up $15. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna call it a night on mine. Try to.
All right, man. Well, hey, thanks for talking.
No, I'm
to
not gonna
us
call it a
all
night
night.
on the podcast. I'm gonna call it a night trading.
I'm talking to Darth Vader. I was just saying thanks for talking to us and stuff.
Hey, Dark Vader, man, join my Facebook group because then you can it's like a private Facebook group. I'll send a link to it. Then you can talk to us on there. Binary options, it's just a private. It's free. I don't give this to everybody, but I'll send it to you.
I gotta go to bed.
Are you leaving, dude?
I'm gonna have to. I gotta go to bed. I gotta get up at like 7:30 in the morning, and I gotta. I gotta
Let's see here.
go do that work thing
Apply.
Tomorrow.
I don't know how to private message him, so I'm just gonna put it there. You can get in there and you can tell us about all your problems in there. Okay, we can end the live stream tonight because you got to go to bed, and I'm gonna go. I've got to work on my other website. Like I'm trying to figure out how to fix my website, so I'm gonna do that. You want to call me tomorrow?
Yeah, dude. I'll call you tomorrow.
All right, man. Don't trade anymore. You killed it today, dude.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm all done trading.
All right, folks. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Buy my books. Bye.
Okay.